So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.